Fruits that support brain health and improve cognitive function. Incorporating certain fruits into your diet can be a delicious way to boost brain health and enhance cognitive function. Here are some fruits known for their brain-boosting properties. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are known to improve memory and cognitive function. They help protect the brain from oxidative stress and may reduce the effects of age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining healthy blood flow to the brain. They also contain vitamin K and folate, which help prevent blood clots in the brain and improve cognitive function. 3. Bananas. Bananas are a great source of vitamin B6, which is vital for the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, all of which are important for brain function and mood regulation. 4. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a key role in protecting the brain against free radical damage. Vitamin C also supports the production of neurotransmitters and improves overall brain health. 5. Apples. Apples contain high levels of quercetin, an antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress. Eating apples regularly may help enhance memory and cognitive function. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which have been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. They also contain high levels of vitamin C, which supports overall brain health. 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants that help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming pomegranate juice has been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. 8. Kiwis. Kiwis are a great source of vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which have neuroprotective properties. These vitamins help maintain cognitive function and protect the brain from oxidative damage. 9. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. 10. Cherries. Cherries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. They may also improve sleep, which is crucial for brain health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet to reap the cognitive benefits of these brain-boosting fruits, try incorporating them into your daily diet. Enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, mix them into salads, or use them as a healthy snack. By doing so, you can support your brain health and potentially improve your cognitive function, leading to better mental clarity and overall well-being.